Hi, so today we're going to be working on a little science project that shows you how soap works on your skin. We're going to be using black pepper to show the germs and bacteria that are around us every day that we do not see. Turn inside. Those would be the germs that are on everyday surfaces, like the table, the doorknob, your phone, for example, or even the controller to the TV. So when you grab those items, you don't notice, but when you touch them, you get dirt all over yourself, or well, germs, and you don't see them. So that's why it's important to wash your hands, because when you wash your hands, it protects you from getting them on your skin in the first place. You wrap it all around, and you see how they all went away from me? I put my hands out, I don't have any germs on my hands. Nothing. So that is why it's important for you to wash your hands every single day. It does protect you after you wash and before you wash. So wash your hands, you guys. Stay safe out.